Avishkaar's 5-pillar solution for STEM, robotics, and coding education in Nigeria, by WAAQ Fusion Integrated Services. Avishkaar's 5-pillar solution is a comprehensive approach to enhancing STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education, consists of 5 key pillars. Each pillar contributes to a holistic learning experience, empowering both students and educators. Here's a detailed overview. Pillar 1. Innovative Robotics and Coding Learning Kits. Avishkaar provides a variety of robotics kits and accompanying software, AMS, that offer a hands-on and scalable approach to learning robotics and coding. This prepares students with essential 21st-century skills, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, coding skills, engineering knowledge. These kits allow for a comprehensive robotics curriculum that enhances engagement and practical learning. Pillar 2. Engaging Curriculum and Content. The Avishkaar Robotics curriculum is designed to be engaging and adaptable, focusing on hands-on, project-based learning, STEM integration, real-world problem engagement, structured learning pathways, encouragement of creativity and innovation, alignment with global standards. This curriculum is beneficial in various contexts, whether integrated into the regular school schedule or offered as extracurricular programs. Pillar 3. Teacher Training and Professional Development. Avishkaar provides continuous teacher training and certification programs that ensure educators are well-equipped to teach robotics and STEM effectively. The training helps educators align robotics lessons with the broader school curriculum, integrate STEM activities across core subjects like math and science, enhancing the overall educational experience. Pillar 4. Superior Technology Integration and Support. Avishkaar, through its local partner WAAQ Fusion Integrated Services, emphasizes a customer-centric approach, offering personalized assistance and timely responses, robust post-sales services. Their support includes technical troubleshooting, product guidance, training resources. This proactive engagement ensures smooth implementation of robotics programs in educational institutions, backed by consistent customer feedback and updates to products based on user needs. Pillar 5. Competitions and Events. Avishkaar's robotics competitions, notably the Avishkaar League, are designed to be engaging and educational. They provide a platform for students to showcase their skills, promote collaboration and mentorship, feature real-world challenges and international participation. Avishkaar's 5-pillar solution provides a robust framework for enhancing STEM education in schools. By combining innovative learning kits, engaging curriculum, effective teacher training, exciting competitions, and strong technical support, Avishkaar delivers a comprehensive educational experience benefiting both students and educators. Thank you for your time. For free consultation, contact WAAQ Fusion Integrated Services by call +234 201 330 6162 or WhatsApp chat via any of +234 909 062 4041 or +234 909 046 6163. Better still, you can send email to info@waaqfusion.com.ng or waaqfusionservices@gmail.com.